What's up, everybody? Yes, it's true, I've been lagging hard on uploading new videos, but there is good news. Lots of good news, one little smidge of bad news. Good news is I have 3 rolls to share with you today, all impeccable. I mean, I couldn't ask for better results from the 3 rolls. Bad news is I still suck at making videos. So I tried to record behind the scenes video of the first 2 rolls. One came out with no sound, the other one was sideways. I just trashed them both. I do have behind the scenes of my street stuff, which is, I mean, incredibly cool. So I want to tell you about the first roll. It was a roll of film I've been saving for a year for just the right circumstances. And it was a roll of Cinestill 50D, which I was really wanting just the right project, and this was it. I'm shooting a media kit for an incredible singer, and she was in a pool. It was bright sun, midday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and so I used my 165 leaf shutter lens so I could sync at 500th of a second to knock down that sun. I blast her with a strobe at about f8, and man, the tones of the water, the tones of her hair, perfect rim light on her hair. I mean, it was really incredibly beautiful. I can't wait to show that to you. Second roll, I took her home, and then I just shot on camera flash on a red background with expired Ektar 100. And Ektar has really incredible, like, warm tones to it. So the red hat, the red pants, the red background, all made this incredible red glow, which, I mean, really looked insane. The most incredible roll to me, though, was the street stuff. It was this, I can't remember even what film it was, just a black and white roll of 100 something. And the people who are on this roll ranges from gang members to this gorgeous girl to a couple kind of cranky guys who still posed for me but weren't real excited about it, and then a drum circle guy and a few other people. So I mean, the range of characters is my dream for having on a 10-shot roll. Like it spanned the entire spectrum of people who are wandering around in the middle of the night. So enjoy, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Rod. Awesome. Yes. That is perfect, man. Thank you. Just like that. Rad.
Yeah. We can go to heaven. All we have to do is say, Lord Jesus.
Yes. Here we go. Sweet. Right there, right there. Thank you, brother. Right there. Can you press a little bit more? Right, that's it, that's it. Yes! Right there. Holy shit. Okay, turn and look at him. And then at the last second, no, you got it. You got it. Chin down a little bit.
What the fuck?
Chin down. Chin down. I don't fuck with her. She's good. Chin down.
My sister.
Chin down. Good. She's in safe hands. Right there, right there, right there. Now close your eyes. Close your eyes.
God damn.
And slowly open them.
God.
Slowly open them.
Alright, we
Shit.
gotta go.
Hold on, hold on.
Come on.